Dadah!
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight.
How you doing, guys? Today I hope so you're keeping well, like always. Today the vlog will be from Sanur, and I'm gonna walk starting from the Sindhu beach area or Sol on the beach restaurant, however is easier for you guys, and I will walk until the Hyatt Hotel pizzeria restaurant where before I spent a lot of time, so it's quite long path, and we will see how is the condition over here in sun or something. Go down from the tree, nearly hits me. By the way, it's quite a lot of people in Sanur, and I just noticed it's a long time wasn't any vlog from Sanur, almost 2 weeks, but I'm in Sanur actually every day at morning having a coffee and just editing the video, but for me I think it's personally boring. For you guys, if I'm gonna record that every morning and showing you guys how I'm drinking coffee, right? So
we walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say.
So as you can see, almost all restaurants and cafes are open, so it's very happy view. And it's quite many people actually, mostly local people obviously, of course, because not many foreigners left. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation in Sanur. People are very happy and easygoing atmosphere, by the way. What I quickly noticed about the cafes, just very simple thing as the coffee everywhere elsewhere around the Bali, especially in touristic areas, Kuta, Legian, Canggu, Uluwatu, even other side of Sanur is a lot of promotions and you can have a cheaper price of the cappuccino, let's say. And here is some new places, and let's say a cup of cappuccino cost 42k plus tax, which is quite a lot for the area. Yeah, so that's quite weird actually. As you can see, people enjoying their life, riding the bike and everything. We will see how is the more into this direction.
Keep on falling in love, and I can never get enough. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart.
So now I'm just passing Hyatt Hotel Beach Club. This is very famous place for everyone who know little bit of Sanur. This is kind of beach club. Unfortunately remains closed, as you can see. Yeah, it's closed. No water in the swimming pool. Quite sad view. It's very nice place. I used to be here last time on the Christmas day. So sad. I really like this place. It's so quiet actually. In this area actually around it's already much more quiet than Sindhu beach. Like I said before, I was just thinking, as long time I didn't have a vlog in the Sanur, so wherever this video gonna reach somehow 1000 views, I promise you guys will be every week at least one or maybe two videos from Sanur area. Actually, I could do it every single day because every single day I have a coffee every morning, but if so, let me know guys if you enjoy it.
When I hold your hand, look into your eyes, I start to realize the power that you have. So many things to say, but no words to explain. Another time and place would ease away the pain. I love you from a beating heart.
Sanur is only one area so far in Bali where most of places is closed and is definitely much more quiet than usual. However, to compare to the places like Canggu or Ubud, where mostly at this time will be super extremely busy, is just completely quiet there. Here in Sanur is just quiet. Always be quiet. Now it's just more quiet. However, it's not like as it's completely nobody here. A lot of people, like foreigners, living here, and just Sanur is very place famous for local people. Many local people coming here, enjoying the beach and the area, and it's just super cool. The next few days is the Independence Day. As you can see, Indonesian flags. Even this place is totally closed, and the water there in the pool is like, seems like it's, you know, old. But the owner anyway, even it's totally closed, the owner put the Indonesian flag. A lot of Indonesians, they are very proud to being Indonesian, and Independence Day is just next few days. While I'm walking now, I was just thinking it would be super cool if I will have something like an electric skateboard, or at least the hoverboard. You remember guys, like 4 or 5 years ago was the hoverboard, like a thingy when you stand up, you balance and you drive, was super famous, and after 1 year or 2 years that was not allowed to use almost everywhere around the world. In Asia nobody cared about that, so I was looking actually already online for that. It's not so expensive. Maybe I will buy it one day and I will drive around Sanur. It will be super cool vlogs. Easy to record, easy to show you guys more. I have to think about that. Let me know guys, what do you think about the idea of having a hoverboard and driving around Sanur? Let me know, comment below.
So in love with you. You got me down again.
Once again, actually, I'm just walking now and thinking about Sanur. I'm in Sanur every single day. Literally every single day. Even I'm done having coffee, I'm passing Sanur, just going shopping or whatever, but mostly I'm having coffee every morning in Sanur. But I just noticed, as on my vlog, this vlog is number 69 I guess, I make like 3 vlogs in Sanur only. That's so sad, I should make it more. These ladies, they are matched by clothes and colors. The people mostly in Indonesia, they wearing like a red white outfit during the Independence Day. Independence Day is in next few days, but maybe they already have a photo session. Why not?
When I go to reach out and to roll, there is no perception of a home. For when it's all been said and done, I know how to act when nothing's what it seems. And for a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. I'm reading on the book of my own life, and to a point the surface is alive. When I feel warm inside my stolen heart, I come to terms with making a new start. For a while,
Some people over here, they have yoga on the beach. Cool! Why not? Well, that's how it is. That's how it looks in summer.
all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. So much for me to do, so many things to prove. Don't feel like waiting anymore. The night is closing in, I'm bleeding through my skin, but I won't run away this time for sure.
Longer I walk, longer I wanna have a hoverboard. However, check this out, the path. It's a little bit bumpy over here and sandy. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. However, I wanna have it. This is Maya, and Maya remains closed. However, beach is quite busy with local people. It's cool. Sunset. It's coming soon.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around.
By the way, The most beautiful beach in Sanur is actually around Hyatt area, Hyatt Hotel area obviously, and it's super nice, white, clean, because the hotel is cleaning this. It's super nice, a lot of people chilling around, and Hyatt Hotel is there, the pizzeria, restaurant where I have a coffee and stuff, and I will going back into the place where I'm coming from. I hope so, everything is there okay, my bike and my helmet, and I will walk on the beach, so I will show you guys from the little bit different perspective Sanur.
When you don't have to, there's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah.
Alright guys, so basically that's how it looks, the life in Sanur area. It's quiet, life is as usual. It's quiet, steady, but it's very easygoing atmosphere, a lot of local people, everybody seems happy. That will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. Let me know if you like the vlogs from Sanur or you prefer from different areas. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. New vlog every day, 7 PM Bali Time GMT +8. So tomorrow something new, like always. See ya guys.
Don't you